Joey O'Brien.
Legend, lover,
Salesman.
Benz, 300E Benz.
Ladies' man.
You probably got a wife!
No wife, no, ex-wife.
A man who always knew what to say.
I like to see the Alente place.
Until he met Larry.
Everybody over there!
You're crazy, Larry.
Wait. Everybody back.
Robin Williams. Tim Robbins. Cadillac Man. Rated R. Starts Friday, May 18th at theaters everywhere.
Chevrolet introduces the bigger-than-ever four-door Chevy S10 Blazer. Now America's best-loved sport utility vehicle gives you 4 doors and standard 4-wheel anti-lock brakes. The bigger-than-ever, better-than-ever 1991 four-door S10 Blazer. Open one up and see why nobody's winning like
Heartbeat of America. Chevrolet. Today's truck is Chevrolet.
You really think I'm gonna beat that guy?
Win, lose, no matter.
The original, the best, The Karate Kid, Tuesday at 7.
This is
Fox, Dad.
Thank you, boy. Today's truck is Chevrolet.
The moon goes around in its orbit. It's the only place the moon does go. The moon only makes left turns. To get anywhere else, you have to get off. To truly enjoy the game of bowling, you must understand the rules. 10 pins conspire to hurl the ball at a participant who must catch it using only 3 fingers.
What in the world is happening on 9:30? Find out weeknights on Fox 32.
Happy Mother's Day from Fox.